Oh, wow. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at these views. This is what we're talking about. This is the 2 bedroom at the Brava in Houston, Texas. This is Grand Final with Uptown 101. Look at these gorgeous views. This is just window after window after window. It's amazing. Can you imagine the kind of events you can have in here? This is living large, living in style. Wow, look at that. And there's the access to one of the bedrooms. Beautiful. Gorgeous. So many windows. It's a perfect Houston luxury apartment right here. And this particular one has these views of the pool. Wow, just gorgeous. What do you think about this apartment? Is this the perfect Houston luxury apartment? The perfect Houston high-rise apartment? Let me know. Send me a text. And if you want to be living in this, if you want to be living in this large, send me a text and go, Grant, I love this place. Get me the details of it. It's just my kind of place. I'm at that number below that you see, and see, you'll be sending it directly to me. It doesn't go to some database and that kind of stuff. That's my direct cell, and I'll respond super quick, much quicker than if you're gonna try to call the Brava. You can send a text to me directly. I love working with the Brava. I'll get you the information you need so you can be living large in this beautiful place.